Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose.
Hi guys. Okay, I just got this in the mail. Literally the cutest thing ever. Shein sent it to me, so thank you, Shein, if you're watching this video. It is like the cutest onesie ever. Fun fact, I used to wear onesies literally all the time, even till like the age of 11 or 12. I was literally a child. Still am a child, actually. So today I'm gonna show you guys my night routine. Pretty chill, pretty fun. I'm excited that y'all are here. So it's 4:31. I just got home from school. I changed out of my uniform because I hate being in that thing. And now I'm like very comfy, so it's good. I put some hot water on the tea kettle and I'm gonna make a bowl of oatmeal really quick. I think my sister's gonna make dinner tonight. She's on a run right now, but she's been making us eat healthy since she's gotten home. And you guys, I thought like sometimes I ate healthy, but like this is too much.
I haven't made it yet, but it's like basil beef, like chili basil beef.
No. Okay, so I'm actually not gonna eat what she's making because I don't even think we have the meat thawed out, and also I just don't really want that. I'm gonna make something for dinner. It's probably gonna be like mac and cheese and hot dogs because it's my favorite meal. If I'm on death row, that's what I'm gonna get. Or I might make a sandwich, I don't know. But I'm gonna eat my oatmeal right now because I'm really hungry. Okay, so actually scratch that. We're going to get we're actually going to Chick-fil-A right now. I need to get my car keys.
Can you see it? Sweater.
Can you see it?
Okay, I haven't put my eye drops in yet. I have to put in eye drops every 2 hours.
Why?
Because I got LASIK, bro.
Really? That's the worst trade-off. Why would you get LASIK if you have to do that?
Only for 6 months.
Wallet. I gotta find my keys now. Oh, here they are. Catherine has my blue Crocs on. Hi.
Can I have a name for the order?
Caroline.
Alright. What can I do for you?
Can I do an 8-count nugget meal, please? Or actually, not the meal, sorry, just the nuggets.
Just the nuggets?
Yeah. And then, what do you want?
12-count grilled nuggets with Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh, can we also get like 4 more Chick-fil-A sauces in that?
No.
Oh, no? How many? What's the limit?
Just joking.
Oh,
So how many?
You got me. That was good.
Yeah, you can
Can I just get like, how many? So 4 total, yeah. Then can I get a medium peppermint shake?
Are you wearing PJs right now?
I am. I'm wearing a onesie actually.
For what reason?
Just for no reason at all.
No reason?
Yeah.
That's the best reason.
I know. It's like so comfy. It just came in the mail today. God, you really scared me there. That was good though. Thanks.
You're welcome. I guess I should say my pleasure.
Do y'all have to say that?
We have to. Literally, if we don't say it, we get fired.
Really? Should I report you?
Please
No, I'm kidding. Okay. Thank you. Have a good one.
Damn, bro's got jokes.
Guys, we just had the best Chick-fil-A guy ever. He's actually very nice. I really believed him. I was like, oh. So I'm really excited. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in so long, and I got Brian a milkshake. I'm gonna drop it off on your doorstep. So Catherine doesn't have a car because I'm taking mine and my mom had hers and my dad was gone. So she stayed at home.
I have been trapped at the house all day.
It's been terrible.
I watched 4 episodes of Money Heist. I had to make some calls with some of my teachers because my whole summer thing scheduling just got changed. And I went on a run, and that's it. Waiting for my boyfriend to ask me to FaceTime. It's been 3 days.
Okay. Hello, love.
Hi.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Did you have a good day at school? Chick-fil-A is the best thing to ever. Okay, I wanted to eat this MF. Okay, also Chick-fil-A sauce. I need y'all to comment down below if you like it or not because there's a lot of people who actually don't like it and it's kind of surprising.
I used to be one of those people.
I did too because of the color though.
I always got barbecue sauce. I never tried it until last year.
I always got ketchup. Y'all, she got grilled nuggets. Ew.
They taste the same when you put them in the sauce.
I finished my Chick-fil-A and now I'm drinking lemon water and I'm gonna eat this for dessert. This stuff is so good. Okay, now that I'm done eating, I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. I'm gonna take my bye-bye bloat pills. I take 2 of these, typically not every night, but like 3 times a week. And you just wake up with like that nice morning glow and you just feel like better overall. Ooh, this is what they look like. So cute. Ooh. You guys, last time I went to Mill Valley where my grandma lives, we had a tea party with all of her friends and it was so much fun. And then at the end, she was like, I want you and Catherine to keep a teacup. So we each got to pick one and I'm gonna show you guys the ones that I picked. So, look at how cute she is. Caroline teacup. I forgot this is the one that I picked. Look at how pretty it is with this little, is this a saucer? Mm-hmm. This is so cute. I'm putting this in the new house. No, So, my hair is literally the softest that it's ever felt, and I think I owe it all to the brush that I've been using, so let me show you. This is the Day hairbrush. It is like the vegan detangle brush or whatever. Works wonders, literally like makes you feel like you're a princess. So I'm gonna show you guys my skincare routine step by step. So first I use my Beauty Counter Rejuvenating Face Cleanser. Then I use this special ointment prescribed to me by my dermatologist. And then I go in with the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. And then last thing I do in my bathroom is put in my retainers. So this is the case that I keep mine in. And I have 2 permanent retainers, one on the top and bottom. So it's like a metal bar, but then I also wear these at night to keep my teeth straight. Good and straight teeth are like a huge thing for me. I don't know, I just get like really like weird about that. I just don't want my teeth to move. Done in my bathroom, we can go into my room now and start that part of my night routine.